I want to welcome you to the Sacred Grove video series. Why Sacred Grove? Well, a sacred grove is a special area of trees, herbs, plants, that holds a sacred and religious importance. In this series, we will be talking about the various herbs, trees and plants used in the African traditional religions. Each of the short videos will be just a basic intro to each of them. For a more detailed information, please refer to our complete Sacred Grove DVD.